girl, perfectly hurt, broken hurt, soft and asleep in the morning gray. Shake off the night and don't hide your face. The sun lights the world with a single flame. I want you to see this.
Hana and Roman, it is of special importance that this ceremony is taking place in Bali. In Bali, the people say that the union of water and rice provides them with all they need for wealth, health, and life. And it is our hope that the union between Hana and Roman will be like the union of water and rice and bear in your lives much happiness.
Away your pain. Heal what I can in your truth.
Love is much more than a tender cares and more than bright hours of cheerful happiness. For a lasting love is made up of sharing both hours that are joyous and also despairing. It is made up of patience and deep understanding, and never of selfish and stubborn demanding. It is made up of climbing the steep hills together and facing with courage life's stormy weather. And nothing on earth is ever going to part at a love that has grown to be part of the heart. And just like the sun, the stars, and the sea, this love will go on through eternity.
Up and run, my little one. I wanna tear down these walls that can't hold you inside. Rip out the cords and uncover your eyes. We'll make our escape in the dark of night. I need you to see this.
Well, Hana and Roman, you are two lucky souls that have entered into each other's life to a point where one's life would not be whole without the other. You have a deep love and devotion for each other and have chosen to forsake all others and enter into a life together filled with love, happiness, and respect. Your commitment to each other is eternal, and you have chosen to be companions for the rest of your lives. You will care for each other during good health and bad, and always nurture this special relationship that you both hold so dearly in your heart. Now you will declare your intention. Hana and Roman, will you love and be faithful one to the other as long as you both shall live in so pleasant together? I do.
I do. I will. I do.
And now, do you promise to love, respect, cherish, and stand by each other for all of the days of your life?
I will.
Thank you. And now, please face to face each other. Come on, face to face. Hana and Roman, may you always have a deep faith in each other, and may you always live together in peace, goodwill, and love for the rest of your lives. And now, you will exchange your ring as a symbol of your love and commitment. Now please join your hands. Hana and Roman, according to your intention. And now by the authority committed to me, with pleasure I declare you husband and wife. Congratulations, you want to celebrate with a kiss. Kiss your bride.
I want you to see this. So run Wake up and run, my little one. Wanna tear down these walls that can't hold you inside. Rip out the cords and uncover your eyes. We'll make our escape in the dark of night. I need you to see this.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, now please welcome Mr. and Mrs. Hana Pasek! Woo! Congratulations! Girl, you'll see the world, and you'll come to learn that falling in love is a strange work of art. All of your battles will shape who you